Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. Today is episode 23 in that series and I'm trying the Manipuri breakfast recipe of Tan and Alu Kengamat. I totally hope I have not butchered the name of the dish. If I did, please do excuse. So this is a puri and aloo combination which is very simple. The detailed ingredients list is given in the description box below. Please do check it out. To watch the earlier episodes of this series, I'll leave a link above. Please do click and watch them after you watch this video. So let's have a look at the ingredients. To make the tan, I've got Maida here or all-purpose flour and a little bit of salt. You'll also need some water to make a dough. For the Alu Kengamat, I've got the mashed potatoes in here and we need red chillies. So this dish uses very few ingredients and this is all we require except for some oil for frying and some oil for tempering and salt to taste. So let's start making the dish. So I'm going to mix the all-purpose flour and the salt together. And we'll pour water little by little and make out a puri-like dough. It has to be a little stiff. So the dough for the puris are ready. We'll keep this aside. So I've divided the dough into equal portions and I've taken one bowl of the dough, flatten it. I've kept a kadhai full of oil to fry the puris in. I'm going to take a little bit of oil from that, apply it and start rolling the puris. I've rolled it into a medium sized one. Let's make the rest of them in the same way. So I've got a kadhai on fire with oil heating up in it. It's nice and hot. So let's drop in the puris into the oil. The puri is ready, let's remove it into a plate. We'll make the rest of them in the same way. To make the aloo sabji, I've got a pan in here with some oil heating up. Once the oil is nice and hot, we'll add the red chillies into it. And we'll saute the chillies in the oil for around 2 minutes. The chillies have been sauteed for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to remove this and grind this coarsely. So I've got the pan back on fire. I've ground the red chillies coarsely. I've put some oil into the pan and it's heating up. Medium flame. Let's add the chillies into the oil. Now I've sauteed the chillies for a few seconds. Now we'll add salt to taste according to the quantity of potato. Mix it up. And now we add in the mashed potato. Mix everything together. So the Alu Kengamat is ready. You can remove this from fire. So that's the Manipuri breakfast ready for you. Do try this Sunday and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and when subscribing please click the bell also. Until I see you next time, bye bye.